Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get rid of your screen lock on Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro and then do an FRP bypass, because after resetting the screen lock, if you don't know it, then it'll ask you for the Google account that was previously logged in, and if you don't know it as well, then you'll need to do an FRP bypass, which is FRP means factory reset protection. It's also called Google verification bypass, and with our video it'll be two steps. First hard reset, then FRP bypass. You'll be able to use your phone again if you don't know the password that you've set or someone else set for you. And let's begin. I think it often happens when your family member, for example, sets up the device, like a child, and they just don't remember what was there and you still want to use the phone again. So you will need first to reset the phone. To do it, press and hold on the power button, then click on power off and click on power off again, and wait a moment to make sure it's fully off, up to possibly at least 15 seconds. Then you'll need to start pressing and holding on volume up and power button at the same time. Once Redmi logo shows up, release the power button but keep on pressing the volume up. So let's do it. Both volume up and power button, then release power and keep on pressing volume up. Now it's gonna go to the recovery menu. Go down with the volume down button to go to wipe data, click on OK, then go down to wipe all data and click on the power button to go to approve it, volume down button and power button to confirm. Now click on back to main menu and then go to reboot to system. Now the reboot process will take quite some time. The phone isn't the newest anymore. Also, it runs Android 11 currently. So this method works for Android 11 with MIUI version 12.5.6. So older methods for this phone won't work, but this method that I'm showing works currently. Even with the newest 2021 security update, everything works correctly. It's been tested by us multiple times, and as for August 2025 it works, so most probably it'll just work forever, because if it works in 2025 then it'll work. But we can guarantee that it works in August, and not only on this model but on most models running MIUI 12.5.6. MIUI is just the UI version of Android made by Xiaomi. So I'll get back to you once the phone resets. It may take possibly 5 to 10 minutes. It's normal. Just leave the phone like that and be close to it. Don't leave it out for too long, because later it shouldn't sit too long after the reset before you start the process. Now, after those several minutes, we are here. Let's begin the setup. You'll see this lock in top left corner. It indicates that the phone was reset but still has the Google verification, so we'll need to set up the language. It's best to choose English even if your local language is different, because all the methods have been tested on English and we know that they work, and I think it's the easiest that way. You can change it later, of course. I'll tell you when. You can set it up however you want, but now just do whatever I'm doing. The region is whatever. It can be whatever you want. Then agree to the user agreement and privacy policy and click on next. Skip the SIM card step and go further. Now connect to any Wi-Fi network that has internet access and click on connect. Then go further and it's gonna start loading. It may take a moment. It's communicating with the server and checking all the FRP data. So just wait. Now you can see it asks for copying apps and data. Click on don't copy and wait a bit more longer. And then it asks you for the previous screen lock. I don't know it. Let's click on use Google account instead. And you probably also don't know the Google account. If you know it, then you can enter it. It's gonna be great. But if not, then we're doing the FRP bypass. Let's go back. And you need to go back to the Wi-Fi step. Then click on add network and in SSID type in youtube.com. Press and hold on it. Then click on this share button, this like second. Then just click on OK here. Click on more. You can click on remember my choice, then click on more and select Chrome. Chrome is gonna be a bit better for all of that. Click on no thanks. Then it asks again, remember my choice, Chrome. Just go in there, then reject the settings. That's how we've tested it and it worked. Now just go back once, click on three dots in top right corner and go to the help and feedback. Then type in delete disable with a comma, delete comma disable and manage. Now find this article, delete apps on your Android device. Now click on tap to go to application settings. Now you'll see several apps. Let's go to the to I believe more. No, sorry. It's gonna be. Hold on a second. Yeah, okay, I just needed to double check. You can see this process is quite complicated. So click on more and then show system. And now first go to this Android setup with this clock sort of, because there are two Android setups. First go to this one with the clock, click on disable. I'm gonna go back, click on disable app, force stop, okay. Go back, go now to this Android setup with the gear icon, click on disable. It's not a, you can't disable it, then just click on force stop, go back. Now scroll down until you find Google Play Services. It's gonna be quite far. B, C, D, E, F, G. It's here. Now click on disable app, force stop, okay, go back, then scroll down to settings. These settings, right? These ones, because there's like this settings and on different, the ones with this exact icon. Now click on open and we'll need to do one thing here. Scroll down to additional settings, then go to accessibility, access and enable accessibility menu. So go to that, enable accessibility menu shortcut, click on allow and click on OK. It's gonna appear here. It's gonna be needed later. Now go back, but go back carefully, not too many steps. So just go, you can go slowly. Just go back and back until you get to Wi-Fi network. Click on X here and go further. Now it's gonna start loading. And you need to wait for at least half a minute, but feel free to wait longer. After some time, you'll see that it starts looping. It can't really go further because of the processes we have stopped. So now you'll need to click on the accessibility icon, then quickly click on Google Assistant, and it's gonna appear. Like settings button is gonna appear somewhere here. Click on it quickly. If you fail the first time, repeat until it's done. So accessibility shortcut, Google Assistant, then settings. It didn't even appear the first time. Okay, let's try again. I clicked, but it didn't go in. Let's try again. Okay. And it left. Let's go again. Okay. No. Let's try again. We can see this process isn't too easy, but it's doable. Just need to enable the process. Enable. Yeah, you can see it is difficult, but as I said, okay, I've enabled it. Congratulations to me. Let's go back. Now you can see there's a list of different things. Just accept, whatever. Go further. Now we're gonna do like a very quick setup. Lazy quick setup. Just like click on OK. Select a default browser if it asks you for that. It doesn't really matter at all what you click on here. Just go like as fast as you can, because it's just unimportant now. Go further, and complete. Now wait a moment until it loads, and the phone is now set up. So the the home screen appears. You can use the phone technically, but I would still recommend resetting the phone again, but this time through the settings. And why through the settings? Because it's gonna delete everything. And why again? Because, you know, we've disabled some things, we've like done some things that may later affect your performance of the phone. So it's gonna be better if you just go straight into settings. I can go to about phone. By the way, I can show you that is the MIUI version 12.5.6. It is the update from 2021, the security update, and the Android version is from 2020. You can see it's 2008-26, so that's when the fully Android was updated, and that's when there was the security update. It runs currently Android 11. Now go to factory reset, just click on erase all data, factory reset, wait for 10 seconds until the next button becomes available. Click on next, then wait a moment until OK button gets available. And after that, you can set up the phone however you want. You can set up different languages, like different Google accounts, different screen locks, whatever you wish. It's all done. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.